My name's Harry and welcome to the Espresso Doctor. Today I'm going to show you how to backflush a traditional style coffee machine. What you need is your group handle, your blind filter and some coffee cleaning powder. Firstly, remove your normal filter from your handle and replace it with your blind filter, like so. Add 1 teaspoon of your cleaning powder to the blind filter and insert into the group head. You'll want to run this for 5 seconds and then turn it off. And you want to complete this twice or until the coffee powder is dissolved. Backflushing your machine is easy and is very important. It helps keep the electrical and mechanical components inside the group head clean and also giving it better coffee extraction. Group head is clear of all the cleaning powder that we have now used. Home baristas would want to do this twice weekly with powder and every night without powder. Commercial baristas would like to do this 3 times a week with powder and every other night without. Now that the rinsing is completed, we'll remove the blind filter and reinsert the normal coffee filter. You have to make 1 coffee and discard that coffee after backflushing to season your coffee machine. And that's how you backflush a coffee machine.